If you're getting Xbox app login error 0x8000000D and can't sign into Xbox Live, follow these steps. First, check Xbox Live service status on Microsoft's official website. If there's an outage, wait until it's resolved. Next, restart your PC and router. You can also perform a full power cycle by shutting down the PC, unplugging it for a few seconds, then starting everything again. Now type Services in Windows Search and make sure Microsoft Account Sign in Assistant is set to Automatic and running. Open the Xbox app and run the Gaming Services Repair tool. If you can't access it, download it from Microsoft's website and run the repair. Type WS Reset in Search and run it to reset Microsoft Store cache. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account in both Microsoft Store and Xbox app. Also check that your date, time, and region are correct and synced. Open Credential Manager and remove any Xbox or XBL-related credentials. If needed, repair or reset the Xbox app from App Settings. Finally, ensure gaming services and Xbox services are running in services. One of these steps should fix the login error. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.